Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to go over Forest River's Salem Cruise Lite travel trailers and toy haulers. The Salem Cruise Lite line is Salem's lighter weight line, with 16 of the 29 floor plans having a dry weight of under 5,000 pounds. The overall weight range for the entire line is from a smidge under 3,100 pounds to slightly over 6,400. In length, Salem Cruise Lites measure from 21.5 feet up to just over 33 feet.
There are 26 Salem Cruise Lite floor plans spread across the U.S., with some available in most regions and some exclusive to select regions. Half the Cruise Lite floor plans are bunk models. As such, we'll go families first and focus on the rest right after. The first two, the 19 DBXL and the 220 BHXL, are compact and light. Both have a traditional convertible dinette and are virtually identical, with double-over-double bunks on the camp side and a Murphy bed up front.
The next four, the 221, 230, 241, and 243 BHXL, all have a living area slide housing a U-shaped dinette. The 221 BHXL and 230 BHXL both have Murphy beds and bunks on the off-camp side, with the 221 BHXL having double-over-double bunks and the 230 BHXL with stacked twin bunks. The 221 BHXL has an L-shaped kitchen similar to the 241 BHXL and the 243 BHXL. The 241 and 243 are very similar, with double-over-double bunks on the campside and queen beds. The 241 BHXL has pocket doors to make the bedroom private and a large entertainment center.
Before we get to the larger Salem Cruise Lite bunkhouses, we have one more, the 240 BHXL. This one has a slide-out containing a U-dinette and nice walk-in pantry, an entertainment center with fireplace, and an entry directly into the bathroom. Up front, you'll find a walk-around queen bed, and the bedroom has a solid door for privacy.
Up next is the slide-free 261 BHXL. It's large and, without the slide, lightweight. The 261 BHXL has double-over-double bunks, a kitchen on the off-camp side, dinette and jackknife sofa, and open bedroom with queen bed. The rest of the bunkhouse models all have a slide with a U-shaped dinette and sofa. The 263 BHXL and 271 BHXL are similar, with the bunks on the off-camp side, an L-shaped kitchen, bedroom with queen bed and private door and entertainment center, and two entries with one directly to the bathroom. The 271 BHXL is configured slightly different, with the bedroom door in the center of the wall. The final two bunkhouse layouts are similar as well. The 273 QBXL and 282 QBXL both have a bedroom with queen bed and privacy door, a large entertainment center, L-shaped kitchen, and quad bunks in the back. They only differ in bunk room layout. The 273 has the twin bunks set perpendicular to one another, while the 282 has the traditional parallel quad bunks.
Now we move along to the Salem Cruise Lite rear bath floor plans. Every one of them are under 5,000 pounds in unloaded weight. Three of them, the 171 RBXL, 190 RBXL, and 241 QBXL, do not have a slide. The 171 RBXL has a large bath with a wardrobe closet, dinette, straight-line kitchen, and a Murphy bed. The 190 RBXL is all bathroom on the back wall and has a tall neo-angle shower. Up front is a Murphy bed. Like the 190 RBXL, the 241 QBXL has the same bathroom layout with neo-angle shower, but adds a jackknife sofa and a queen bed. The final rear bath floor plan, the 212 RBXL, has a slide containing a U-shaped dinette. Across from it sits a straight-line kitchen. Up front, you'll find a Murphy bed with flanking wardrobe closets. An additional wardrobe closet is found next to the entry door and beside the large bathroom with its neo-angle shower. Now we come to our Salem Cruise Lite rear living floor plans. First, let's get a good peek at one without a slide, the 202 RDXL. This model has a convertible dinette and a jackknife sofa in the back, and a streamlined kitchen area split with the fridge on the off-camp side wall. Up front, the 202 contains a walk-around queen.
The trio of RLXL models, the 24, 241, and 254 RLXL, each have a living area slide. The 24 and 241 have a U-shaped dinette in their respective slides, while the 254 has a convertible dinette and sofa. The 24 RLXL completes their rear living look with a sofa on the back wall, has an L-shaped kitchen for easy cooking, a walk-through bath leading up to the bedroom with a walk-around queen bed, and a solid pocket door for privacy. The 254 is the largest one of the three. A pair of swivel chairs sits against the back wall to create a home-like feel. Adding to that is a well-designed L-shaped kitchen with a large pantry. The bathroom is walked through to the bedroom with a walk-around queen, pocket entry to the bathroom, and its own private entry from the outside. A second entry to the 254 RLXL is located near the back by the swivel chairs. The final rear living floor plan is a rear kitchen model. The 231 RKXL has a living area slide with sofa, pantry and wardrobe closet, and a straight-line kitchen taking all of the back wall. You'll find a tall neo-angled shower in the bath, as well as a walk-around queen with a solid private door. Just when you thought we were done, we have the Salem Cruise Lite trio of toy haulers. All three of them, the 191 SSXL, 211 SSXL, and 251 SSXL, are available in the western part of the country, have no slide, and a garage space that is at least 13 feet deep. They also all have a pair of flip-down sofas in the garage space and identical streamlined kitchen layouts on the off-camp side. The 191 splits the front wall up with a bathroom and corner full-size bed. The 211 and 251 both have a large bathroom with neo-angle shower, with the 211 having a corner camper queen and the 251 a walk-around queen.
Oh, and one more. A new toy hauler for those of you in the northwest part of the country, the 260 RT. With its flip-down sofas and the queen bed, this model can sleep up to 4. You'll find over 13 feet of garage space as well as a walk-through bathroom with a radius skylit shower.
As I said, Salem Cruise Lite allows you freedom of your choice from a lot of floor plans. As far as the features, you'll find some top-of-the-line amenities. Outside, you'll have an awning, speakers, solar and backup camera prep, a power tongue jack, true stabilizer jacks with JT strong arms, plus the solid step system for the main entrance with some models. Once inside, you'll fall in love with the Salem Cruise Lite kitchen featuring recessed cooktops with a glass cover. The Salem also boasts a 13,500 BTU AC, USB ports in the bedroom and bunks, and Shaw linoleum. So if you're looking for a solid travel trailer or toy hauler, light on weight but not on features, be sure to check out Forest River's Salem Cruise Lite.